All right, today we're going to do a really fun video. I'm going to call Joe's bluff. Joe from Two Crazy Ketos. I'm going to do a video on how to check the mail. Like the mailbox. Not the dude. Not that kind of mail. Whatever. Anyway, so we're going to go check the mail. But if you want to tag along, I'm going to walk through the Keto Chow offices. So let's go. Walk past the ice cream maker into the darkness. Don't worry, the light turns on automatically. New front office. All right. So, go out to the mailbox. So if you're waiting for your Keto Chow, this is what you would do. You would walk out to the mailbox. And maybe it'll be there, maybe it won't. Sometimes when I walk out to this mailbox, it's full of packages of returns and spam mail. Oh, hold on. Let's turn this around. Okay, here we go. Oh, there is stuff in there. Sweet. Square. I already have one of those, and I'm not sure what that is. It looks like spam mail. Okay, we got a key for the package locker. So I couldn't have planned this better. There's Keto Chow in there! So that's how you check the mail. You got that? Alright, Joe, you happy? No, I am. Let's go ahead and walk back. Here, I'll spin this around. There's the pallets that the guys who installed our pallet racking left. I don't know if that's ever going to be picked up. And the garbage cans that Republic Services still hasn't picked up because we have a dumpster now. There's the new wall. There's Christian.
Hi, welcome to Keto Chow.
That's right. We're getting these new desks and everything, and the shelving and all that installed. So.
You should have made the joke.
Oh, what's the joke?
Are you doing it for the gram?
So Joe from Two Crazy Ketos, he keeps on saying that I'm making stupid videos.
What?
You know, things like how to pour Keto Chow into an ice cream maker and how to put stuff into the microwave. So he said, why don't you make a video of how to check the mail? Guess what? There was Keto Chow in the mail.
You vlogged all the way to the mailbox.
You know it. Vlog. Vlog? How do you pronounce that? Anyway. So, yeah. Here's the front desk. This is where Jen sits. We're still getting it all configured and everything like that, but here's where Oh Hello Keto Bakery, they bring their stuff by. And it's mostly cookies and stuff right now. But yeah, this is the front area. Still a work in process, but that's it. All right. See you later, guys.